Hello watch fans and welcome to a very special video from Vintage Radar. Today we'll be showing you some very interesting vintage musical character watches from various brands, various cartoons that bring us those memories back. I'll leave them down and we'll go through them one by one. Let's zoom in a little. So here on the left we have a Lorus Mickey Mouse watch, which is a Disney musical watch. It only plays one song. Right here on the left we have the musical button. Loras is a brand owned by Seiko, so these watches are very collectible. They were made in the 1990s. Here in the middle we have another Disney watch. This time here on the back we can see that it is made by Seiko, so by Seiko Marketing International, which is a subsidiary of Seiko. Once again we have another watch with one musical function. This time the button can be seen on the right side. And last but not least we have a vintage 90s Armitron Looney Tunes musical watch. So we have a different cartoon, a different company, and also a different watch brand that made this watch. On these watches you might find the exact year that the watch was produced. And for this particular model we can see here 1994. Very interesting features on each and one of them. I will try to show a little bit more of the details. So here we have a watch strap that is the original one on the Loras Mickey Mouse watch. We can see Mickey Mouse being engraved on each side. On the dial we have Mickey Mouse with the hour hands being the exact hands of Mickey Mouse. The second hand, as we can see, it has a small musical detail, and as the song will be playing you will be able to see the second hand actually being in tune with the song. So this is a feature that was commonly found on Loras musical watches. So only this one will keep the tune at the same time as the song, compared to the other two where the watch will keep on ticking but the song will play. So let's see this one first. And once again it has Happy Birthday to You on the dial, so that will also be the song that it is played. And now we can see the second hand going backwards and to its initial position, which means that now the watch keeps on ticking and you do not lose any time. So that was the first watch. Once again, Loras. Here we have another Disney musical Seiko watch. You have to keep in mind that Loras is also a Japanese watch brand owned by Seiko. So both these watches were made by the same company. Here on the back we have once again all the details about the watch. This time we have the musical button on the right side, and compared to the first one, this watch will keep on ticking as the music plays. So that was the second watch, and now going to the third. Here we have the Tasmanian Devil, also known as Taz. You might find on some watch straps written Taz, or as a keyword in case you want to find a vintage Tasmanian Devil watch, you can also search for Taz watch. So here we have a very cool and interesting dial. We can see the Tasmanian Devil, a Looney Tunes character here on the dial. A lot of information that this is an actual musical watch. We can also see written missing, so that is another indication that this is a musical watch. And here at 6 o'clock we can see Armitron musical quartz. So that means that the brand is Armitron. We have musical function and quartz, so it is a quartz movement just like the rest. Here once again we have 1994 Warner Bros. That is the main company and the year it was produced in. So let's check this musical function as well. So yes, this was the shortest of the three when it comes to the length of the song. But now, because many of you might be interested, I will play each song one more time. So here it goes. So that was the Loras musical Mickey Mouse watch. Here we have the Seiko one. And once again, the Looney Tunes Tasmanian Devil musical watch. So that was the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, if you liked these watches, please make sure to leave a comment, let us know what you think. Maybe you want to see some other videos, some other details about these watches. Please make sure to give it a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in buying any of these watches, follow the link in the description below or go to vintageradar.com, as we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys, and see you next time.